Azimut's Fly 72 harmonizes residential onboard living with sporty exterior aesthetics. And there's nothing she can't handle without leaving her comfort zone. But to be specific, there are 5 reasons why she's the most balanced yacht on the market. First, she's shaped by the wind. The superstructure of the 72 sweeps back from the bow, so the fore lounge can open even wider with nothing but sky above. And she can perform under pressure, but even at rest, her lines give the sense of exhilarating speed. Second, the squared-off bow. It's Azimut's elegant trick to expand the bow lounge so that we can have wide, generous sunbeds and leave plenty of room for operations during anchoring or mooring. Third, the full-height windows are a keystone of the modern exterior design, emphasized by the cutouts in the bulwark amidships. But they're even better appreciated from within the yacht, where they enhance the dining area with a floor-to-ceiling connection to nature. Fourth, the sophisticated interiors. The furniture and the lighting are all designed according to the latest trends, but with a timeless touch. And that tasteful decor continues all the way down to the master's suite, where we feel genuinely cozy at sea. Fifth, she's a member of the carbon tech generation, and Azimut's pioneering use of the ultralight, ultra-strong material goes well beyond pure performance. It impacts comfort as well. Carbon fiber was used to lighten the uppermost parts of the yacht, including the Flybridge, the hardtop, the superstructure, and even parts of the deck. The goal was to bring down the center of gravity so that we could expand the volumes, at the same time preserving the excellent levels of dynamic stability that make this yacht's performance so exhilarating. So now you know how this modern Italian dream makes the perfect setting for life at sea.